How?
Money like this, I need to flood the system with water before I go out. What is that?
Greetings to this household.
Afam, this one you're here this morning, it's so impromptu. What is going on?
By the royal seal of His Royal Majesty, King Akachuofa II of Ameokulo Kingdom. Oh no, your presence is highly needed in the palace immediately.
Okay, you can go, eh? When I finish what I'm doing, I'll come.
Oh no, that means you don't know me too well. Oh no, okay, if we live here without you, it's going to be something else. Oh no, you know me too well. I'm the chief royal guard. Chief, like once you hear that chief, it means I control other guards, they are under me. And anytime I leave the walls of the palace, it means danger lurks around. Please, okay, please, follow us to the palace immediately, sir.
It's okay. Wait for me, eh? Let me go and change. Then I'll go with you. Come. It's okay.
I know. My son is going to be very living without him. I don't know I'm going to go. Mother, listen. We are here for you. This is actually a serious blow on our family. But trust me, we pull through strong, okay? We are here for you. Okay? Don't cry.
Everybody listen, oh! Listen to this very important message. The Imobi has declared 3 days mourning for our late king, Akachuofa Izudu II of Ameokulo Kingdom. And according to tradition, there will be no farming, selling, or buying, and any other activity that will be shifted to the nearest days. He who hears should tell his brother, oh! Everybody listen up. Listen to this very important message. The Imobi has declared 3 days mourning for our late king. And according to tradition, there will be no buying, selling, or farming, and every other activities have been shifted to the nearest days. He who hears should tell his brother, oh.
See, let me tell you. The problem with you is that you find it very hard to understand and recognize people's position. As a chief security guard, a royal guard, not just an ordinary guard to a politician, a royal guard, and the chief CSO of this palace, it automatically means I'm a part inheritor in this kingdom. So know that and be very, very clear.
I thought you should have become the new king of this palace. So what is keeping you from being crowned?
It's the elders, so. The elders. They are still at loggerhead on when to crown me. Because I told them I would not like my coronation to be in rainy season. This ones that normally used to be like Ozu. If French should beat me on top of it. Don't worry. I told them to do it during dry season.
Afam. Afam. Afam K. Well, this is good though. So you're a prince.
Yes, a part prince, partial prince, by stay, not by birth. I've stayed 10 years in this palace, so automatically I am a prince by stay. Even in foreign land, if you stay there 10 years, you're a citizen. Even your color is black, you'll be a foreign citizen.
Citizen indeed.
So I'm a partial prince. See, is there anything that fire killed? I found a mama.
Come and eat me.
Hi. You come on. Huh? Look at this low budget bedding. Huh? Looking like a sanitizer. So slim as if you are early morning chewing stick. Go and look for what to eat and get fat. Because somebody like you will be walking along the express road and Dangote motor will pass. The wave will just lift you. Nonsense. You know me? Because I'm here. Don't know my escort is.
My people, as you all know, that these are challenging times for the royal family. Yes. And even the entire people of Imekulu Kingdom.
Oh yes.
This is because our king, His Royal Majesty, King Hezekiah Akajiofo, Ezudu II of Amekulu Kingdom, the man who had great plans for his people, left us the land of our ancestors. I have a feeling that he had the premonition of his demise. This is because the last time we spoke, he said, and I quote, "The circle of life moves us all through hope and despair, through faith and love, until we find our place on the path unwinding." End of quote. Oh, we'll surely miss him.
Yes.
May his soul rest in peace with our ancestors.
He said,
I, on behalf of the Council of Elders, welcome Prince James and Prince Ifeanyi to this meeting.
you are welcome.
My sons, the Council of Elders is the custodian of our tradition.
That is correct.
Yes, of course.
And according to our tradition, it is time we crowned a new king who will continue from where our late king stopped. And as soon as that is confirmed, then the rituals commences. Eh? Good. So in the light of the above, I hereby call on our next king, our crowned prince, Prince Ifeanyi Akajofo.
Your Highness, we are proud of you.
Excuse me, please. Fine, wait. Fine, what are you doing? Why did you do that? Walking out in the elders and council? Why? You've just been crowned king after father. And instead for you to give your acceptance speech, you walked out.
Let me just tell you the truth. I do not want to be king.
No, if I something is wrong. I know you as someone who is humble and responsible. Why then acting as if you don't want to be king?
My brother, I still refuse to be king.
No. Do not say such words. You are the next in line after father. It is your responsibility.
And I refuse to take up that responsibility.
You are the head!
Now you listen to me. I'm perfectly comfortable with the position of the CEO of father's companies, okay? And very soon we're signing a big deal with an Italian conglomerate that will further position us as a leading company in Africa. I cannot do that and become king.
Ifeanyi! No, you have to listen to me.
Yes. No, what we see, we're going to draft it. No, I already spoke with the legal advisor, so just draft it and then I'll sign it. Parties involved. Okay, by next week then, I'll give you a call. Alright, get your company lawyer informed. Okay then. Alright. Honey?
Are you okay?
Just when you're asking me if I'm okay, what's the problem?
That is because no one in his right senses will turn down an opportunity of becoming a first-class king. No one.
This is what this is about.
Yes. And why would you take such decision without even letting me know? You obviously do not know how embarrassing it made me feel out there. For crying out loud, this is a very big opportunity.
Opportunity?
Yes. A very big opportunity to take a giant step of our lives. My darling, your father has been preparing you for this great feat. Please do not disappoint him. Don't.
I must not be king.
Then no one else will.
Your Majesty, please, I want you to reconsider me. Please, all I want is a means of livelihood, to fend for my family. Please. Ogude. At times I wonder the kind of men we have in this community. Must the gods bless us with poor people? Just look at us. Able God. Look at this young man. Just look at from beginning to down. Loyalty, humble. Are you taking him for a fool? Huh? Or just look around you. Look around. Did you see any signpost written help the poor, Yerando Biamaka, or even a charitable organization? I don't understand what you are doing.
Sorry, I did not go to school, so I don't know what a signpost means.
Is it that the Baba do not barb well or your hair refuse to be cut? Eh? Or is it that you speak, you don't know how to read, or you read, you don't know how to speak? Read!
It's okay, it's okay.
I don't know how to read. I cannot read.
Listen to me. I do not want to make an issue out of this. But I would not like to meet you or your working tools on this property when I come here tomorrow. Huh? There's a reason for that. It's very important. I do not want to meet you here when I come tomorrow. Okay?
You have heard from the horse's mouth. You have heard the horse. The prince just said it all. Move! Don't try us. We are escorts.
So many things surrounding our kingdom. Have the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's it when it's over? Oh, we're Brianna and Sansa. Which way forward for our kingdom?
My brother, things are falling apart. The kingship will move from this family if we don't ascend the throne. And Father will be so disappointed wherever he is.
James, you're my blood. And I know I can confide in you. What I'm about to tell you now might sound stupid and unreasonable, but I think it's a cogent reason for me to not ascend that throne. I've been having this recurring dream where I see this woman that keeps telling me not to take up the crown.
Why?
I don't know. So something about it being cursed or so.
Being cursed? The crown? Father wore same crown with honor till death. So how is that even possible?
But still, that's not enough reason for me to risk it. You want me to disregard those warnings?
Brother, believe me, this is superstitious, trust me.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Ekwo yoko kamwo obodo na kunisindi obodo. Okay, no somewhere no son.
Who are you? We are not mates. We are not mates. You better be very careful. I said be careful. You should go and ask your father questions. Are you hearing me? But you do not know anything about our custom. So take care. Dikeh. Dikeh, you open your mouth to say that, Dikeh. Yes. Now, listen to me. Dikeh, listen to me. You that know everything. Yes. Be careful. Okay, now stop. Something that you first. Stop it! Oh no! He's always talking as if he knows something. What do you know? I said sit down. Sit down. Are you sit down? You sit down. What is it?
You had or no? Huh? You are acting like Ini Edo, Emehegia. Emelegu Naba.
Your behavior, please, be careful. You are all aware that our kingdom is presently sitting on the keg of gunpowder. Are you not? If we, the elders, the custodian of our culture, cannot do anything about it, if we do not stop it, then things will fall apart. You understand me? Now, in the history of this kingdom, it is unheard of that a crowned prince rejected the kingship. Never.
Oh no. He thinks that is bigger than the crown. Prince Ifani to walk out on us is greatest insult.
It were better he goes. Because if we had tried stopping him, it would have been worse.
My friend, shut up! Shut your mouth up and let women talk!
You again?
Keep quiet!
I'm warning you!
I said stop!
This man!
You stop! Stop!
Okay, don't worry.
Oga, off your engine. Off the engine.
Hello, what's up? I'm here to see Princess Victoria. My name is Jerry.
So, who are you?
My name is Jerry. Yes, I'm here to see Princess Victoria. Is she inside?
Oga, you see this your car, huh? As the face front here, turn and make him face where that back dey. Then make the back face me for where I dey. Drive and move. Huh?
Are you okay? Who the hell are you? I said I'm here to see Princess Victoria asking me to go back. Are you stupid?
See, Oga, I no just understand you. We don't allow common strangers that are no royalty inside this compound. For the records, we are mourning. In fact, we dey mourn. Person die for us. Oh, madam, the rice has finished. We don't have rice. We don't have beans to give to people that are hungry. Go and look for somewhere else. And it's too bad that anywhere that you hear that people are mourning their lost one, you will be coming there to eat rice.
Shut up. I'm stupid. Huh? Do I look like a pauper or you beggar in your eyes? I said I'm here to see Princess Victoria. You're telling me nonsense. It's obvious you're a newcomer in this palace. Everybody knows me here. Don't you know me?
You see the problem. You see where I'm having problem with you. Everybody knows you. And who are you? No, who are you? Do you think I don't know my princess? My princess cannot be dating a dog. For the fact you have this chain around your neck, you're a dog. Eh? See, if you don't know me, it's your problem. I have been here. Just that I traveled abroad for my masters to go and study chief guard. Just coming back, I don't know people like...
Are you a clown? But today I promise you, you will lose your job. You will lose your job.
You will lose your job. Agana.
What is Bonkom? Shenanigan. This is Bofu. Hello, princess. Princess, I'm outside the gate. Can you imagine? One fat elephant, he doesn't want me to come inside the palace. I don't know. All right. I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm still standing here. Okay. Okay. You will lose your job.
Me?
Bet me, you will lose your job.
Oh, guy, not lose the... Now you go lose job. But no, don't. That. We know. Because we hear this thing, now upcoming Yahoo be this. We know them. We know upcoming Yahoo go over there. We see them. Move this car.
I am sorry for you. I am sorry for you.
Move this car. Okay. Close this gate for me. On your way.
Why? Come on.
Close the gate.
Are you mad?
Okay,
what are you doing?
Damn you.
Guys! Are you the one that insulted my fiancé? Hey, you, come here. Who is that from? Who amongst you insulted my fiancé outside?
Your fiancé? Somebody insulted your fiancé.
You slapped me.
I will do that. In fact, I will slap more than the slapper.
But I didn't insult anybody.
Shut up! So you want to deny it? Something that is very, very obvious. You want to insult someone fancy, and you are trying to deny it even when you know that your family has poisonous mouth. My princess, please, I'm apologizing on behalf of me and my family of God. Forgive him. Where is your fiancé?
He's still standing outside there. This moron, turn him back. I will deal with you. Please, Afam, go and open the gate for him. He's already pissed.
You slept. Shut up. Can't you pretend at once? Go and open the gate.
Okay, now what's it when it's over? Oh, we Buriana na sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom.
Fool, animal, idiots, nitwits. Nitwits, how dare you? How dare you deny me access into my in-laws' house? Who the hell are you?
The real hell. No reason my matter like that. See, that time you saw me on the gate, it's not actually me. I was thinking a whole lot of things. My family is my father that is supposed to die, but my mother. No, somebody was supposed to die in my family, but the person did not die. Then I was thinking, please forgive me. I will never try it again. No. I will never try it. Okay, Chichi.
Listen to me. Listen really good. I will only forgive you because we are men, and probably this is where you fade from. The next time you will try this nonsense, the next time you put up this attitude again, consider yourself fired. Am I understood?
Very, very well. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what you do, but they're not going to catch you for this life. Anything, whether I rob by they do, you go do.
What did you just say?
What? Okay, you can even use me as a spy, so that if Princess bring in another man in this house, I will tell you. You can be working hand in hand as men.
Who brought this fool in this palace?
Who brought this fool in this palace? Huh? Victoria?
My love, I apologize for not coming out earlier to receive you. It's really a trying time for my family.
I understand, my love. You see, I know the stress, I know everything. You see, when I heard the news about the death of His Majesty, I immediately flew down from the States down to this country just to see you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you see, everything, and I just want you to be fine and happy.
Everyone is inside. Meetings upon meetings. Prince Ifeanyi turned down his crown. That's the latest gist.
Really? Why? I thought he was really prepared for it. Why the sudden change of mind?
I don't know. He wouldn't say. He only said the family business is about to take a lead in Africa. All those stories, honey. You should talk to him.
Oh, Ifeanyi. Okay. No problem about that, okay? The paramount thing here is that you're fine. And you're still beautiful. I do not want you to stress yourself over anything. That's why I'm here for you. Alright?
I wish I can tell you I'm fine, but...
Come on. Come here. My love. You're fine. I'll be strong from you, okay? And I love you.
I love you too.
You love me too, right? Give it to me. Yeah, that's my princess.
No, sir.
All right. Oh, don't stress yourself. Okay, let me help you with this. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
I don't know why he changed his mind. But do you think he had any problems with my late father?
None that I'm aware of. I mean, his actions are unsettling things. We cannot crown his younger brother a king. It's not done. We need to consult more extensively.
You know, I support your suggestions. You know, when I approached this subject to my late father, when I playfully asked him that I would like to be crowned king, he told me that it's an abomination to crown his second son king, whilst the first son is still very much fine and alive.
He was right. Yes, he was right. Anyway, I will do more consultation because we don't have time again. Time is running out.
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
When are you sure to come up with answers?
Don't worry. I will send message to you as soon as possible. Just give me a little time.
Afam said he doesn't know his whereabouts.
Where have you been all day? And worse, you refuse to take my calls.
But I replied the message. Satisfied?
Yes. I mean, no. I am not. Listen to me, my husband. Your brother James has been lobbying around the crown. You must not maintain your stand and allow the kingmakers make him king over you.
Why are you knocking me about over the throne? You haven't even asked how my day went. What's your obsession with the throne?
Because that is the right thing to do. Listen to me, I am your wife. And you don't expect me to sit down and allow another person take your inheritance. It's not done.
Sandra, look at you. Whoa, your hair is beautiful. Is it new?
Oh, please, forget about the hair. Let's talk about something very important. What are you saying? Listen, I need you to be focused and ahead of the game for the crown. That is the right thing to do. Please.
There is no game here. I mean, I'm not in competition with anybody.
Then go for the crown. Go for it. It is yours and has always been. Please, baby. Please. Okay?
Sorry for leaving.
What is wrong with this man? He doesn't want to see from my own direction. I can't lose this opportunity. I cannot.
Emunatumo akwisi karaka buya nebuzi no gidi onura manonye bu no gidi bukwa antunisi. When troubles comes and trials abide, so man.
Mother.
Yes, James.
You need to talk to Ifeanyi to accept the crown.
I don't know what else to say in this matter. Because each time I raise the subject, he brushes it aside. Maybe you should wear the crown.
Mother, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that you should wear the crown. You're also royalty. I mean, someone has to wear the crown since your brother is refusing it. Yes.
Akwisi karaka buyane buzino gidi onwa manonye buno gidi bukwa antunisi. When troubles comes and trials abound, so many pains surrounding.
I am warning you. Be very, very careful with me. You bit more than you can chew. Stop pointing those fingers at me.
And you cannot do me anything. You started this first now.
Keep ranting your mouth. I know you now. You like talking. But one day, I will squeeze up that.
You cannot do me anything. You cannot do anything.
I cannot do you anything,
yes.
right?
You cannot do
I cannot do you anything.
You cannot do anything.
You receive it now. It's me you're insulting.
You cannot do anything.
It's me you're insulting. It's me and
Hey! I saw hands going up and down. What were you using it for?
Greetings.
For who? Me? You are greeting me? Tell me what is good about the afternoon. Open your mouth and tell me what is actually good about this afternoon. So it has actually been both of you disturbing the entire kingdom. Nobody will sleep in this kingdom.
No.
I will be at the palace. I will be hearing voices. I cannot even have my afternoon sleep. What is wrong with both of you?
We were just playing. She's my friend.
What are you saying? You're doing well. You're playing.
Yes.
You're players. Play. Play. Okay. You can't You think I don't have eyes? From there, right in my very presence, I saw both of you trying to tear each other apart. And you say you.
No. We're just playing.
Yes. It's okay. I'm giving you two options. Two. The first one is very, very simple. Second one is the hardest one. First one is either you start fighting before me now, or second option, I will take both of you down to the palace and you receive your full load. The subscription will be very, very full.
Hey.
Which one are you taking?
You see what you cost.
Hey! Oh yeah, if I just count it, you start.
So.
1.
I don't like fighting, but you want me to.
2. 3. Gang. Orejele. First attacker. Go!
You're dodging it.
Don't dodge blow. Go for the leg. Go for the leg. Give the breast again. I said give the breast. Hey, no, I don't like that place you are carrying.
Stop, you see, you don't like it. Stop it.
I like it. You can go there. Carry on there again. You don't know. Raise it. Are you the one commanding the fight? Raise the leg. Do as if you are bringing the two legs towards this side. Turn the two legs towards this side. Go!
And where have you been?
Are you okay? No, tell me, are you sick? Huh? Are you on cheap drugs? Does that mean that madness runs in your family? How dare you, ordinary guard? Ordinary guard, you are asking a chief palace guard where he's coming from. As what? No, like you're telling me now that you want to take over the position of the chief palace guard. I will finish you up.
Apologies, but...
But what? What do you want to but? Huh? Please, I don't just have your time. Allow me, I'm just coming back from a family meeting now. Let me go and eat lunch. Then if I now decided to have time for bloody civilian, I can come, we can discuss. Nonsense.
She has been asking of you.
And who the hell is she? What rubbish she? Is the she paying me? What stupid she is that? Can't I have rest in this palace? Every small thing the she will be disturbing. The stupid she, can't she respect herself? Nonsense.
It's the Queen Mother. You are here shouting. It's the Queen Mother. She has been asking of you.
And
when you get inside, you will see.
Queen Mother? Why did you not tell me that it's the Queen Mother that is asking of me?
Must I tell you?
Shut up! So you don't know where to use she and her? Huh? Can't you just say Her Royal Majesty is asking of me and you just say she's asking of me and I'm here shouting? You can't even advise me to bring my voice down. Please, when she was asking of me, what was her reaction? Good evening, ma'am.
What is it? I'm supposed to be the chief palace guard.
Madam. Sorry. My prince. Your Royal Majesty. Do you know I'm even surprised that you still call me the chief guard? Since His Royal Majesty died, nobody has actually called me a chief palace guard again. Even ordinary palace maiden that I know how I spoke to your husband, my king, to help them get work in this palace. They were actually doing nothing. I begged because of the relationship I...
Shut up. I asked you to send for Sandra. You come here to tell me all this old wives' tale. Do I look as if I care?
Madam Sandra, she left very, very early in the morning. Even when I tried to ask her if I should follow her, she just ignored me and left.
You can go. Leave.
Okay. Your Majesty, please, Iwe what would you like to drink? Because Prince Afam ordered me that I should take good care of you. Please, what would you like to lick? Orange. I can cut it, then add it up with watermelon. Garayara.
Get out! Get out!
Sandra. Why is your face like that? Why are you enjoying your drink? Huh?
Mom, I'm not coming to enjoy your drink. You're talking about my husband here. Something tells me that my husband has been charmed. I am telling you the truth. I can swear to it that my husband has been charmed into turning down the crown for his younger brother. And it's not funny. Yes!
Wait. Are you trying to tell me you no longer the queen?
May the gods forbid.
Forbid, though?
Me, Sandra Akajiofo, the first daughter of Odumi Woga. Who the hell says I will no longer be queen?
Okay.
But something tells me that Lizzie is part of this conspiracy.
And who is Lizzie?
James's wife. Oh, that woman is the most desperate woman I have seen on this earth. Yet she pretends as if she knows nothing about it.
My friend, just relax, okay? Okay, what do you plan on doing? Minding the fact that your husband has rejected the crown himself. So what do you want to do?
That is why I told you that my husband has been charmed. But I will not let that happen. I won't.
Sandra, you sounded like you're going to wear in the crown yourself.
Don't try me, oh. I can do anything.
Huh.
Joanne, I am not ready to let that crown go. I will not do that. I mean, I cannot give up. Not now. I can't.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold on so I can get you food. So
No, don't make things worse. You know you're a bad cook. I am fine with the drink.
Don't say that now. How can you say that? I know. It's fine. Enjoy your drink now. You're looking so stressed. Huh? My queen to be. My queen.
I don't joke with that thing.
I know.
I don't.
And if he wants Prince James to go ahead, I don't think there's a problem with that. If he gives him the permission, then let's accept it like that.
People will now start saying James took the throne from Ifeanyi.
No.
And what if in the future it brings problem between the both of them?
I don't think so, my love. I don't think so. My mom, she has been asking after you. She miss you.
I promised her I would come. Let me know when my help is needed. Trust me, once this whole issue is settled, you take me to her. I know. I miss you more. Trust me. Everything will be fine.
Yes, I know everything will be fine. That is why I don't want you to stress yourself. You're my queen, you're my happiness. Anytime you're happy, I am happy. But I miss you. I know what that means. Okay, so just can't wait to, have you as a wife, and let's start staying together forever.
Yeah.
So I will start doing it now.
Excellent. I was told by your guard, that chief guard, that you want to see me. That's why.
Oh yes, I do. Okay. Please, what can I offer you? I mean, something to drink.
In fact, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm just coming from a traditional marriage ceremony where we had so much to eat and drink. In fact, I'm full. I can't take anything now. So, but hope all is well.
Obviously, all is well.
Good.
I actually wanted you to do me a small favor.
Like?
How do I put this right now? Ichie, it's no longer in news that my brother-in-law wants my husband to take the crown. But I don't want him.
Why? What's your reason?
Very simple. I just don't want my husband to take the crown. Because him taking the crown is going to deprive us of a lot of things we do together. Like traveling, socializing with friends. And that I wouldn't want. Please, I need you elders to put more pressure on Prince Ifeanyi to take his crown. It's his right. It's not for my husband.
I've heard you. Well, but I must let you know that the dynasty belongs to the Akajiofos family since ages. That even we, the elders, we are confused ourselves. The issue, we do not understand what is going on. We have never had this kind of puzzle before in this kingdom. This is the first time. Though, I know your husband might eventually become the king. If I may advise, my queen, whoever the gods chooses, he is destined to be. So let your husband's destiny speak for itself. Don't stop him. Unugo, don't stop him. I wish you the best.
Ichie, we all know you to be a very respectable man in this kingdom. A man who always stands for the truth. A very close confidant of the late king, my father-in-law. That is why I have come to see you. You see, Ichie, it is very, very wrong to take what rightfully belongs to a child and throw it to the dogs.
You're very correct. That's true.
My husband might not be in his right senses at the moment because so many business thoughts has affected his sense of reasoning. But all I want you to do is to talk to others. You don't have to listen to him. Just go ahead and crown him king. It is his right.
You see, but you cannot crown somebody against his wish. Come to think of it, your husband even do not want to be king of this kingdom.
But that is wrong, Ichie. It is his birthright. Okay, Ichie, let's not talk too much.
Okay.
I want you to have this. This is a sum of 500,000 naira for you.
Ha! All this for me?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I tell you something.
Okay.
There is more from where this came from. All I want you to do is to do the right thing. Be of a great help to my darling husband and I. And I promise you that you and your entire family will never lack.
In fact, with this one you've done, don't worry. I'm finishing everything. You know that's what I can do.
Trust you.
Don't forget it. With this one, I'll finish it.
I trust you.
Yes, I want you to be queen.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thanks.
Selfish desire. Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa, vera go riri. It's yakanana na burugins.
No one sees much of you these days. Nobody's well. Haven't we been all busy trying to be the queen of our little kingdom? Haven't we? Excuse you. What do you mean? Exactly what you heard. Please. Your ambition is too clear for everyone to see. No matter how hard you try to pretend with this chubby face of yours. Very clear.
Sandra, I'm beginning to understand where you're coming from. Oh, that is it. Listen, my darling. In case you care to know, I have no intention for the crown or becoming queen. Oh yes, I do not. Oh, my rib. Oh. But wait. Why is this so important to you? Didn't your husband say he didn't want the crown? Oh yes, I guess he knows what a tyrant queen you're going to be. Don't you dare!
Don't touch me!
Else we will slug it out here and down. Lizzie, you know what? I will let this little threat of yours pass. But
I need you to listen to me and listen real good. Your husband will never lead Amekulu kingdom. That will be over my dead body. Stupid. Rubbish.
Kedu kenye nozi n'ụlọ ewe mụọ nwa n'eriri sepaka enwe n'ofe maka ịghọkwa aka mmadụ. Selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I didn't know what I dozed off. I just woke up.
You look like someone that has seen a ghost.
I'm fine. I just woke up. Are you going anywhere?
No, I was actually looking for you. We need to talk.
Listen, Victoria, if it's about the crown, I'm not ready to talk about that.
Ifeanyi, why not tell us why you're rejecting the crown?
I just told you that if this is about the crown, I will not talk about it. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever.
But Father prepared you for this. At least why don't you just tell us why you will not take the crown? Tell us.
The ways of the gods are wise. But you may not understand. Egwo yoko kamwo obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa.
And what could be bothering you, my queen?
my love, you back already?
Why are you sitting all alone? What could be bothering you?
My love, why do you want to be king?
My queen, it wasn't my decision to be king. Prince Ifeanyi allows me to take the crown. Wait, my darling. Don't tell me you've occupied your thoughts with the thought.
Oh yes, I have already. Since Sandra wouldn't allow me rest in this compound. She practically believes we're a stumbling block to their ascending the throne.
Sandra? She said this to you?
No, my love. Calm down. Where are you going to? Sit first. Listen, I didn't tell you to go confront her. Okay? By all means, you have to reject the crown. It's for our own good. Please, my love, you have to. Please. Can you please get him another glass of juice, please?
When you have the urge to take what is not yours, just stay away and know that yours is on the way. Everything that works for a purpose. There's no need to reconstruct your destiny. Iyana chunike na nanike. Oh, Egana chunike na nanike. Chunike na nanike. Oh, Ochicha na chunike na nanike. Oh, selfish desire. Only bunike nobody.
Sandra, where have you been? You left the house rather too early. Is everything all right?
Everything is perfectly fine, Your Majesty.
I see. Take a walk with me.
Selfish desire cost more harm than good in life. Selfish desire.
You cannot possibly ask me to do that. For in truth, I know full well that some couple of persons in this palace have been pressurizing my husband to cede the crown to James. But I am sticking with him.
Sandra, you know quite well that your opinion does not count in this Amekulu kingdom. Therefore, don't cause trouble. Because I still value the peace and tranquility I enjoy in this palace.
Then advise your son. Advise James to stay away from the crown. Because you don't expect me to sit back and watch you people take what rightfully belongs to my husband. It will not happen.
Sandra, but nobody's pressurizing him to do anything.
But your body language says otherwise. Queen Mother, it does. The truth is that my husband is going to be the king of this kingdom, and that's final.
Sandra! You cannot make decisions for my son. He is a full-fledged man who knows his left from his right. Therefore, he has the prerogative to either take the throne or cede it to his brother. Excuse me.
I cannot be alive and watch our dynasty come to an end. Father will be so disappointed wherever he is. I won't let that happen. The kingship of Amekulu Kingdom is our heritage. And so it must be.
You are all welcome to this all-important meeting. The essence of this meeting is for us to decide who finally becomes the next king of Amekulu Kingdom. Persify.
Oh no.
According to our tradition, with respect to kingship, when the king dies, the eldest son takes over from him as king. Is it not so?
Yes. You are in order. Oh no.
Now, are you telling us that you are rejecting the crown?
Yes or no, I do not want the crown. And I don't know why I am being pressured to take up kingship.
Be careful. Be careful, my prince. What you wish for
It's an abomination for a crown prince to sit the throne while he's still alive. Hail and Haiti!
What is an abomination, Ichie? Presidents and governors resign when they are done or when they don't want to be on seat. And nobody does anything about it. There's always room for substitution. Okay, what if I was dead or incapacitated? Wouldn't you all look for someone else to take up kingship?
Ifeanyi, you're healthy and strong. Why are you trying to dodge your responsibility?
I am not dodging my responsibility.
You are my prince. I remember your father placed so much confidence in you and proudly reminds us of a worthy king that you are going to be in the future. So why?
Ifeanyi, the future is now. Please do not turn down the crown. People will think otherwise.
My elders, I reiterate my position that I do not want to be king.
Abomination.
Nonetheless, I am willing to offer my full support to whosoever wants to take up kingship. That's my final word on this.
I am ready to take the crown. James, Ifeanyi, I do not believe the story you told me. I cannot be alive and watch the kingship move to another family. Dikeh, I am ready, body and soul, to succeed my father.
James!
Well, my elders, now that he has agreed to bail us out, we have to commence the ritual.
Of course.
Agree with me?
Yes or no?
Thank you, my son. It is time for us to fulfill the requirements of our customs and traditions. We were all witnesses to the fact that Prince Ifeanyi Akajofo decided to cede the crown to his younger brother, Prince James. Yes. Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. Now it is time for Prince Ifeanyi to formally hand over the offer to his younger brother James in line with our custom of ceding the crown. Prince Ifeanyi.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, I'm sure. The main thing is that the Akajofo dynasty must be maintained.
In the making.
I want to thank all of you for the confidence you repose in me. I look forward to your guide and advice.
My prince.
In the making.
Hi, I'm going to this is my change the engineer there. Chia dia je bibi, jine ga yeba.
Good afternoon, my dear. Good afternoon, my queen.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Why are you such in a hurry? What seems to be the problem?
My queen, I just want to go and rush and give the queen a very good news.
And what is that, if I may ask?
Please, there's no time for me. Let me just rush and give her this good news.
Is something wrong with you? You seem to have forgotten who is standing right in front of you.
I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten. See. I don't know why you are trying to pour your anger on me, because I just want to go and give the queen 8 o'clock news.
I asked a question and I demand an answer, Afam.
Please, you will not like this good news. It might be good news for all of us, but to you, it might be a bad news. Allow me to go and give this news.
I command you to speak! Stop being a clown!
My queen, Prince James has just been confirmed as the Prince of Blue Kingdom. He has accepted to be the king. So I am rushing to give the queen the good news. Then. Is that not the good news?
Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa Dera go riri. It's ya kanana na burugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozinu no ewewe.
A green snake will always hide beside the green grass. Finally, your lobbying has paved way for you. You have now been confirmed king, right?
Excuse me.
You are well excused.
What are you insinuating?
I am not insinuating anything. I am just waiting patiently to look into the face of that tricky brother who has finally succeeded in taking what rightfully belongs to his own brother.
Yeah, Sandra. I don't know how has been feeding you those trash in your brain. But I want you to understand that my brother gave me his support to be king.
Oh, please tell that to the birds. You think I don't know the truth? I know everything. You and that useless thing you call a wife charmed my beloved husband in order to give up the crown for you, right?
Silence!
You cannot silence me. I am not your subject. Stupid. And what is this?
Water. Good water.
I know it's water. What is it meant for?
See, my princess, I saw the way you have been angry since they declared Prince James to be the king. In fact, the kind of hotness inside you will even make God to think if he should change his location of hellfire and bring it to you. So I decided to bring this cold water. See what I do.
Afam, have you lost your sanity?
If I've lost my sanity, I will not remember to bring cold water when you are very, very angry. You like it, man?
You are very stupid. And get out of my sight. Get out! What impudence!
You see, my darling,
God knows who the crown fits. Though I know the burden that comes wearing this crown, I know I'm going to be a very good king, and my people will love me. My love, why are you silent? Aren't you happy you're going to be the next queen?
Baby, let me be honest with you. I really do not know how I feel about this whole thing. Okay? Sandra is beginning to behave in a creepy way. Like, there is something about her. I think she's very desperate.
Oh, you know what, my darling? She's not important. Don't worry about her. The only support I need is from you, my love. And that of my brother and my mother. She's not important. You know what? You just have to go and get yourself prepared because the coronation committee will be here anytime soon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, would you want me to ask the cook to prepare some dish?
Oh, that's so sweet, my love. Thank you. Come here. I love you.
I love you too. Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright, baby. I can't wait to be king. I can't wait to rule this kingdom. I know my people will love me and respect me.
Oh no. I think we have a problem at hand. How do we handle entertainment? Because people coming from far and near must be entertained.
Oh yes, but that is the women's responsibility. And in fact, oh no, did you finally get in touch with the women leader yesterday? For there is no time again for us. We have barely few days to the coronation.
Oh yes. As a matter of fact, she was here this morning. And from our discussion, she knows exactly what to do. But my only worry is that some of our kindreds, they are yet to redeem their pledges. So that is my worry.
We have nothing to worry about. We make use of our resources at hand. The main thing is to crown our king, and we move forward.
I think you have a point. Let's make use of it.
See, don't worry. I know that very well. When I become the king in future, I will choose from 3 of you who will be my wife.
Concentrate for once.
Here guys are your attires for the big day, I mean the coronation day. You are expected to wear them on that special day. Did you get me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay. So, you... Okay. I suggest you all go inside and try them out first, in case if there's any amendments. You can now go.
My lady, the late king said that I should always wear jumper and trouser to differentiate me from ordinary palace lady and ordinary palace guard.
Hello. You heard what Victoria said, didn't you? Go inside and do as she said. Not here. Later, in your room. Okay guys, you heard me right. You're expected to wear this on this special day. Okay?
Okay, princess.
Yes. So you can go now.
Thank you,
Thank you, princess.
Please, my princess, if I should just suggest, I don't actually like this color. I am the movie head less so that I can tie it as a rope.
Can this young man for once do the right thing? What the hell is wrong with you?
So we'll just try to regularize it. Yes. So that we don't have to James. James! What is it?
Save me.
What is wrong, James? James! Are you okay? Get! Hey! No! James! Hey!
What is it again?
I had another frightening nightmare. And this time it was so real.
You had another frightening nightmare. That is why you will not allow me to sleep this night.
Is that all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say? It is just a nightmare. You don't have to brood over it. Please, allow me sleep.
It's not yet been crowned. Please. People are watching us at the field. Okay?
okenye nọzi n'ụlọ ewe mụọ nwa n'eriri sepaka enwe n'ofe maka ịghọkwa aka mmadụ selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire.
In fact, all na-aga mma mma. Small time, I get wish you they just asked me to go and convince James so that they can crown him.
When you have the urge to take what is not yours, just stay away and know that yours is on the way. Everything that works for a purpose. There's no need to reconstruct your destiny. Iyana chunike na nanike. Oh, egana chunike.
Finally, the time has come for us to make history in Amekuru Kingdom. Yes. Today, we are going to crown our new king. May I call on our head, the crowned prince, to ascend the throne.
The urge to take what is not yours, just stay away and know that yours is on the way. Everything that works for a purpose. There's no need to reconstruct your destiny. Iyana chunike na nanike. Oh, egana chunike na nanike. Oh, mana chunike na nanike. Oh, ochicha na chunike na nanike. Oh, selfish desire. Only bunike nobody. Selfish desire. It's cost more harm than good in life.
Now, it is time for us to crown our new king. By the powers bestowed on me as Yoruba of Amekuru Kingdom, I hereby crown our new king, King James Akajo for the throne.
James! Commissioner, you are the fed already? With your wife? Wow! That's so nice. Yes. We'll soon be there. They'll soon be done with his crowning. As Anwok will be on our way. Yes, finally. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll get back to you. Bye.
All the time. What is it? Prince James.
Has he been crowned?
Yes, he has been crowned.
Yes, why are you behaving like that?
And he's dead.
What do you mean?
This is so unbelievable. In the history of Ameko Kingdom, something like this has never happened. No!
Easy, take it easy.
Don't talk to me! Don't talk to me! You killed me.
Eh?
You and your evil wife have succeeded in killing my husband. Yes!
How can you accuse me of killing my own blood? How can you say a thing like that?
You killed him! What's wrong with you? You killed him. You are taking your evil. My husband, kill me now. No! You people should kill me too. Just hold on, please. You people should kill me. No! Bring my husband. Bring my husband. What's all this?
Alpha, it's okay. The girls know why it happened.
That means the gods are very wicked. They are very wicked. Why did they choose to kill such an innocent and peaceful man? Why there are other stupid people in this community that they are supposed to kill? Why didn't they kill all of them?
No one is wicked. The gods are not wicked. They know the best.
I tried to hold a cry. They pushed me from heart. I get soft heart. That's when you kill Oga James. Why no come kill me? At least if I kill you or kill one of the maiden, then leave our peaceful place. Hello, Melu. Hello, Melu. Hello, Melu.
Alright. Let me return your food to the refrigerator. Since you are still not.
I didn't hear you well.
I mean, we are still mourning. Let me return your food.
How? I don't understand. Is it an Hausa man that died that you just bury the person and drink kuna and go? You don't know this side. When someone dies, that is when you will bring goat, you bring cow, bring rice. Then you call people that will cook. They will cook it. People will eat and have strength to mourn. Don't you know that? Am I the person that killed Prince James? Do you see blood in my hands or in my eyes? Am I a murderer? You don't know this is the perfect time that I'm supposed to eat so that I will have strength to cry for the dead.
Okay, let me go and bring you.
Please, hold on. Hold on, so that you don't go there and bring what is not good for the monarch. For the monist. For the monastery. See, I don't like starch. You see, I have body. So I'll prefer something like bring apple. Don't bring too much. 5 pieces is okay. Then I want onubu. Don't use onubu anambra. Store. Calm down, let me explain it for you. Use the very onubu. Then put it small obono. Don't put it on my own. Normally draw where. Use unsoka obono. And cook it all. You shake on wicked one noko. Please, don't put pomo. Kanda is far better for me.
But you say you don't want starch, right?
Yeah.
Because you are fat. But apple is also starch.
Then I prefer pounded yam and garri. So far better for me. Pounded yam, protein. Garri, nutritious. Apple. Glass of food. I don't trust this issue.
Which way forward for our kingdom?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. All I'm trying to do is to protect that which belongs to my husband. I mean, you don't expect me to keep calm while they take something that rightfully belongs to us. It's not done.
Sandra, why are you this ambitious? Why are you so obsessed with becoming queen or me becoming king? I have been inundated with stories about how you almost fought Lizzie and my late brother because of this same crown.
Lizzie is desperate.
You are the one who is desperate! And you make everybody think I'm in support of your shenanigans. I should have just sent you away to London when I had the opportunity so we can have peace in this house.
What is wrong with you? What will I ever do in this life to please you? What? I mean, this is a very great opportunity for you to become a first-class king. Meeting with top government functionaries. Even helping our family's business. But here you are saying all sorts. What is wrong with you? Huh?
You know what, Sandra? You are pathetic.
Wait, my friend. Did he say that to you? Yes. And so many unprintable words directly to my face. All because of Lizzie. Wow. This is serious, so very serious. My dear, you needed to have seen the way my husband stood up and was protecting this woman and her late husband. I mean, I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't know why he has refused to understand that he is the one to be crowned the king after his father. But, see, Sandra, okay, see, I think he needs to be heard. Because I see no reason why he'll be rejecting the crown. Have you kept listening to what he has to say? Joanne, I will not listen to such stupidity. Because it's only someone who has lost his mind that will think towards that direction. What are you saying? He wants to ruin my chances of becoming the queen of Amekulu Kingdom. It will never happen. Not on my life. I must be the queen. Take it easy. Take it easy, please. What's all this? Sisters. My husband wants to take away the honey. The honey I already have. It's only a madman that rejects the throne. Sandra, it's okay. Okay? Just boy. Take it easy.
It's too much now.
My elders, I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry for the delay.
No.
Yes. Let us proceed.
No. We have been saying Prince Ifeanyi killed his brother. Let the dynasty leave his family and move to another family.
That's correct. Look, we do not want a king whose hands are stained in blood.
It's all right. I want to ask all of you a question. Who amongst you can testify that he saw Prince Ifeanyi kill his brother?
Oh no.
Yes.
I heard he threatened his brother. It is enough evidence.
Oh no, we do not have any evidence against Tonto. We have grown past hearsay. He never had trouble with his brother.
Our king died. Oh. What are we going to do now? Prince Ifeanyi was not supposed to sit that crown. It is not the will of the gods that Prince James will wear that crown.
You are very correct. My elders, the most important thing now is for us to get a king to sit on that throne. Because time is of essence here. Alright? I think it's time we forced Prince Ifeanyi to ascend that throne. Yeah, because this is fate at work here.
Oh no, you have just said the truth.
Good. So we are all in agreement, right?
Thank God. Madam, please, can you ferry me across the river? Hello?
Another dream, I presume?
Yes. This is becoming disturbing. I don't know why I keep having the same dream all the time.
Do not worry yourself, my beloved husband. Once the crown is laid on your head, everything will be over, okay?
Do you think so?
Of course I know so. Listen, you are the head that fits the crown. The only one blessed by the gods of this great land. Do not try to fight the gods by looking for a substitute, okay? I'll see you later.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwoyoko kamwa obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke n'ọsọ nwere n'ọsọ n'ụwa. Onye mazi ka mmiri si webe a n'opi ụgbọghiri. Egwu na-atụ m.
Have you forgotten our appointment with the event planner? What event planner? My goodness! How could you have forgotten that the coronation is in few days? How? I'm so sorry, I understand everything. But you know, life has to go on. Everybody must surely die someday. But your father's legacy must continue. You know.
You're correct. I would rather you go alone and let me know how it went.
Well, your choice. I would, then I'll let you know.
Selfish desire. selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa, bera go riri. Iti akana na burugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozi nuno, ewe mwa neriri. Sepake we no fe, makiyo pa kamado. Selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire.
Mad? What is good about today?
Everything is good though. At least we woke up today. No problem. No stomach problem. No headache. It's a good thing to praise the Lord. Do you want to go out?
And what business of yours is it? Please, can I have my car keys? Hey, where are you going? I said my car keys.
Come on, Etta, don't worry. I washed the car both in and out. You will like it.
I do not have your time this morning. Like I said, my keys, please. I want to drive myself.
Unless you just want to sack me from my work, because my work is to take care of...
I hope you do not want me to fall out with you.
For where?
My keys. Then open the gate. The gate.
The gate.
I said you open the gate.
You have heard from the horse's mouth. You open the gate. Move.
Shut my door.
Oh. Be fast. Open it very wide open. Open so that he will leave. Open the door, not you got now. I will help you.
Where are you going to? You are not supposed to leave this place.
Why? Am I now restricted from leaving the palace?
No. We don't want you to stress yourself during this period of mourning.
Oh, how nice. Very considerate and wonderful. Thank you.
No. That is not what I meant. We don't want you to fall into depression. We don't need you stressed.
Okay, right now everyone thinks I'm the mad person. No, I'm now insane, right?
No, Lizzie.
Wait. I need to get it right. I've now been relegated to my chambers, never to be seen outside. Is that it?
No.
Is that it?
No, just calm down. You are misunderstanding the whole situation. Please.
Thank you for your concern, but I'm not handicapped. Excuse me.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwo yoko kamu obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa. Onye mazi kambiri siweba no biribogiri. Ebu na tumo.
It's really not easy, but it takes hard work to silence all your enemies.
Yes, that's true.
And from then henceforth, I shall be addressed as Queen Sandra Akajiofo, one of Amekulu Kingdom.
Oh my God, okay. Noted, my queen.
Yes.
Noted, Her Majesty.
Yeah.
Queen Sandra. Okay, Queen Sandra. for 1. Hey, my friend! Oh my God! If it's you. Okay, meanwhile, what we discussed about, have you told your husband?
Told my husband? Oh, about the catering, right?
Yes, now.
You know, the thing is, there are some committees in charge of each department. Well, that's my very good friend. Do not worry yourself. I can put in a word for you.
My queen!
Yeah.
My queen!
You know?
My queen!
I'll cut your
How much? One!
That's it!
I trust you!
Let's celebrate!
Oh my God, let's celebrate! Yeah.
Oh my God! Life is sweet.
In this community. And that is what we are fighting so hard to achieve. I'm sorry about the death of your husband and king. But tradition demands that we crown another king.
They murdered my husband. These people killed him. Principally is evil. They should be punished. Maybe I should have raised the alarm earlier. Now nobody believes me.
My queen, you are just assuming. You are assuming. Okay, we see fine willingly ceded the crown to the younger brother. So how come he will turn around to kill him?
Hell no! They lured him out to kill him. My husband never wanted the crown. Yes, they killed him. We never wanted the crown.
They lured him out. What means? Please, my queen, let us not assume things. Because,
Oh no. Are you now saying that I'm lying? Don't you think I'm making it up?
my queen, I'm not saying you lie. Please, pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Don't press this matter further. Let us lay it to rest. Biko.
I see you started making preparations towards becoming a queen.
As you've always wanted.
Exactly. But too bad for you, you chose the wrong location to congratulate me. Anyway, thanks all the same. But you should have waited for me to get home.
Yes, that also. Huge congratulations for killing my husband.
Sandra, you see,
rain can always beat the skin of a leopard, but it cannot wash away its spots.
I know it has always been your dream to see me bow
and worship at your feet.
Well, that's not too bad after all, if you bow down and worship me. Oh yes, because where there is a queen, there should be subjects. Well, I don't have time for this rubbish. Can you please take this thing you call a car out of my way, for I am running late to somewhere and I need to pass.
One moment.
Rain does not fall on one day.
Psycho! Psycho! You are going mad gradually. You're losing it!
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwoyeko kamu obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa. Oye mazi kambiri siwe bano biwe bagiri.
This is so amazing. You know, seeing this picture makes me so jealous that I had no option than to order everything here. They're so beautiful. Wow. Honey, what is wrong with you? Babe, I've been talking to you.
Are you talking to me?
Of course. I have been talking to you for the past 5 minutes, but you kept mute.
I'm so sorry, darling.
Baby, the coronation is near. It's really near. And I've been the one arranging the whole thing. You haven't said anything yet.
Sorry about that, dear. It's just that everything is happening so fast. Okay? But I suggest we do away with the pomp and pageantry. I would suggest we have a quiet ceremony.
Quiet what? I hope that wasn't directed to me. What do you mean by quiet? For crying out loud, my love, you're going to be crowned the king of Amekulu Kingdom. Dignitaries are expected to be there. And you're talking about quiet? How?
Sandra, we are mourning my late father and brother. Does that not mean anything to you?
I know, yeah. But baby, you do not expect me to cry my eyes out over people that have already left this world. I mean, I'm so sorry if you hurt you, my prince, but that is the fact. I mean, I want this coronation so elaborate that even the dead will be proud of us. I'll go ahead and order. My king in making. Oh my goodness, I love this. I can't wait.
My prince, did I hear you correctly? My prince, I barely heard you. What did you say?
My elders, I said that I still maintain my stand on the issue of the throne.
Eze Akajofo, your dynasty is about to roll off. My prince, please reconsider your stand. But this is about to bring the worst abomination on this kingdom. Your first action led to the death of your brother. And now this is about bringing plague on this kingdom. Reconsider.
Precifying, you and I know that what you are saying is not possible. You are destined to be the king of this kingdom. And there's nothing you can do about it.
I am not destined to be the king of this kingdom. And I will not let you all railroad me into becoming king against my wish.
What about your people? Don't you care about your people? I mean, those that stood by your family all these years. You don't care about them?
My prince, the dynasty will leave your family if you refuse to take the mantle of leadership and lead your people. I am telling you the truth.
My elders, I will gladly support any son of the soil to become king. As you can see, The clouds are getting darker and I need to take my leave before the rains are upon us. Have a nice day.
Who will wear the crown? Who will wear the crown? When you got you no banana, when you got mysteries and tales, rocking the line. I could call you ready. When you got Korani, when you got Kobarani, every little of your banner, a woman more. Oh, man, who will wear the crown? When you got you no banana.
Ifeanyi, why?
What do you mean?
Traditionally, you are supposed to be king now that my husband is dead. Or don't you want to partake in your own dish anymore?
I don't understand what you mean, Lizzie.
No, you wouldn't, my dear brother-in-law. Listen. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Long live my king.
Are you okay? I'm easy, oh. Easy.
What is wrong? What is wrong with you? Why are you running? I command you to speak right now. What is it?
Madam, receive the news. A new king has been chosen.
What blasphemy are you talking about?
Madam, I'm not talking about Brother Femi.
Will you shut up? Do you know where you stand?
Madam, I know where I stand. Do you know? And the elders have chosen a man to become the king of this kingdom.
This is not happening.
Gengen.
Wait, are you sure about this information?
See, my queen, you know I'm a face great gossiper. A new queen has been chosen. A king.
What's funny? Will you get out? Get out! What's wrong with this man? No. This cannot be true. This cannot be true.
My daughter, it is not in our hands.
This is not right. Ono and the elders disappointed our family. That is not the right thing to do. At least, there should be proper consultation.
But your brother rejected the crown. And the elders have given up already. Haven't they tried? My hands are tied.
Mother, we can still do something. Talk to Ono. Peradventure he can reverse this decision.
It's rather too late now. Princess will have to accept things the way they are. What you cannot change, you accept.
stories and tales, rocking the line. Akụkọ juru eju, onye ga-akọrọ anyị, onye ga-akọbara anyị ya. Ebulite ọfịa banụ, egwu ụmụ mmụọ, o mere eme. Who will wear the crown? Onye ga-achị n'obodo anyị ya. Yo.
This drink is very nice. Mazi Emeka, I trust you. Hey, we want to thank you, with the elders, for giving us this cola. We really enjoyed ourselves.
Oh yes,
Yes. But I know you must be wondering why we're here. I saw it in your eyes. What are these people doing? We are here actually to discuss an important matter with you. We the elders, we have unanimously decided to leave you out.
Oh yes.
Really? Amekulu Kingdom is a great kingdom. And we need somebody with good pedigree to lead us. We searched, we looked around, and with the help of the gods, we decided to choose you. So we need to thank the gods for giving us the wisdom to choose somebody like you.
Oh, my elders, I'm greatly honored for this your visit, most especially for the good news of choosing me to be your king. You see, my father once told me that my ancestors, we are well-known warriors, once ruled our kingdom. And I promise I'll rule our kingdom in truth and fairness.
I am tempted to start calling you Igwe.
My dad. My husband slept with people who were for him. I went to him in the night. I did everything possible. He couldn't wake up. Until the doctor came and confirmed that he was dead.
Child. No. Chie will live with you. You know why? Huh? Chie will live with you. You know why?
My friends, I guess we have to start from the beginning. The elders in council are more confused than ever.
Why are they confused?
Because anyone who agrees to ascend the throne dies. Yes. And we are so confused that we don't know what to do anymore. Now, my prince, there is a question I've been meaning to ask you. And I want you to tell me the truth. Why did you reject the crown?
My business. It's becoming incorporated and requires my attention. I don't need anything to slow down that business, and taking the crown will warrant that I'm always here in the village, which would affect the business.
My prince, I'm sure you are aware that I was a very close confidant to your father when he was alive. And I am aware also that your father prepared you early for this throne. So, you and I know that what you are saying is not correct. Tell me, what is the real reason that you rejected the crown?
Okay, I will tell you the truth. Now, what's the meaning of this again? How many times have I warned these boys to stop blocking the road? What's the meaning of all this? What's the meaning of this?
Do not wear the crown.
Who are you? What do you mean?
Whatever you do, do not bow to the pressure of the crown. Heed my warning. Heed my warning.
So that was it. I always had this recurring dream before any danger. And it always had to do with the crown.
But why didn't you say something while you were experiencing this thing? I mean the recurring dream.
How would the elders believe me? They'll probably see me as being self-centered or arrogant and proud. That's why I asked my brother to take up the crown, as he wished.
But do you think the death of your brother is related to this recurring dream you've been having?
I honestly do not know. But I decided to heed the advice of this nameless woman. Who knows, maybe that's why I'm still alive.
Perhaps she was trying to warn you, or rather advise you, to cleanse the palace. Could it be the message she's trying to pass across? My prince. On behalf of the Council of Elders, I want to thank you for accepting the crown.
Thank you.
And for saving our kingdom from imminent calamity.
Oh yes.
Yes. Now let's go to the throne room. Okay. Others are waiting.
What do you mean by that?
You heard me.
My son, I thought you had accepted to ascend the throne. Yes!
And I have rejected the throne here.
Oh, no, listen to me, baby. Do not do this to me. Don't. Please, let's go.
Do what to you? Are you the one wearing the crown?
Let's go!
I said I am not going again.
Like why?
Because I have rejected the crown here and now.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, I will not do it for you.
My prince! My prince! We are finished.
You sure know how to get on my nerves. So after praying for a day like this, all you had to do was to turn your Nollywood down? What is wrong with you?
Honey, you should understand me.
Understand what? What exactly do you want me to understand? That I have been praying for you to take over your father's place. And all you had to do was to turn down the same crown your brother died for. Oh my goodness. I have always known that I am married to a weakling.
Enough. Enough already! What has gotten into you? Why are you even taking this personal? Why?
I am taking it personal because I am your wife and the future queen of this great land.
If that crown is so important to you, then go there and have them crown you instead.
Oh, I would love that. I would love that to happen. And where are you going?
How's that your business?
Thought about it, and I believe this is the best decision for me. I need to move on. It's time. I have to move on with my life. I am really going to miss you, seriously. I know, and I will even miss you more. Listen, you just have to take care of yourself, take care of your mother, and again, do not trust anyone. I will see you. Listen, I will keep checking up on you people time to time. Okay? Okay. Goodbye. Bye.
Don't close like this.
What's the meaning of that?
No, madam, please just come out like this. And Prince James don't die. And you know, both for son or anybody will go get pregnant, both for son for them. Make a lineage continue. That simply means please
shut up. I don't want to lose it.
Tell you, but listen, if when I grow up, reach my age, make una try marry up in time so that when I go born pikin, now you have a son, even though you have money to get married, give someone unwanted pregnancy. Once you have a son, son is son, no matter whatever, so that your lineage will not close like Oga James' son. Hey, Oga James. Don't be for you. I no go die like you. I go plan my future from now.
give anybody belly, scatter them. I don't say when the sons grow up, they go look for the father. If not the maidens, yes, find one maiden, give her belly. You go born for me, and so far as the border for this compound, na royalty. Belly na belly. Pregnancy is pregnancy.
Oh no, his hands are not clean. I know these young men and their commitments. A crown, older than his father.
I wondered that myself.
My elders, we need to rally around our prince so that we can find a solution to this problem. He explained his reasons to me. Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
That didn't make sense to me. You should have cropped up a better lie than trying to sell that cheap one to us.
Never. He wasn't lying. What he said was the truth. Believe me.
If you say so.
Yes.
What truth are you talking about?
My queen.
Yes.
We need to find out the truth. According to Persephone, there is this woman who keeps coming to his dream to haunt him.
What?
Yes. And according to him, it was this woman who warned him to reject the crown.
I never knew about anything like that. I never confided in us.
Apologies, my queen. The council of elders are asking questions. And these questions are directed at me.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Do you still remember how my husband died? Can you still recall what I told you were his last words?
Yes. I think I remember. He said something about the crown being cast.
My husband, before he took his last breath, he was pointing at the crown. I am confused, but I know we have to do something about it.
Hey, Your Majesty, what are we going to do? Because I'm confused myself.
No, I don't know. I just don't know.
Yes, he's the oldest man in Ameku. He's full of wisdom and he has witnessed so many past events.
Really?
Yes. Let's meet him. Anybody home? Wise one! Greetings, wise one.
Greetings, wise one.
Oh no. Why have you come here this Mbachi?
We come in peace, wise one.
I am restless. These days, I wonder why death has refused to visit me.
Wise one, death understands the importance of your words of wisdom, and that is why it keeps jumping over your heart.
Death must be so beautiful to have this long pity on me. My prince.
Wise one.
The war has deliberately begun. You may think you have cheated death, but it is not over.
Wise one, you speak in parables.
You need to find Ihe Akano, the bleeding priestess. She has the solution to the problem.
Wise one, please, where do we find her?
My prince, Onowu here knows where to find her. And you need to find her before 10 days. Else, no single member of the royal family will be left alive. Go in peace.
Wise one! Wise one! Wise one!
What's wrong with him? Wise one?
He's dead.
What?
Hey!
Sandra, relax. You're acting like this is the end of the world.
Of course it is. It is the end of the world for me. Giovanni needed to be there. He needed to have seen the way my husband turned down the crown right in front of everybody. Disgraced the entire family. I don't know what is wrong with that man.
Sandra, this man might have his reason. He's not a baby. I mean, this doesn't mean he's not going to be crowned the king.
You never can tell. The first time we had this issue was when he gave his younger brother the throne. I mean, God bless his soul, he's gone. Just when I thought everything is normal and for me to relax and enjoy everything, Fiam, he put up another style, which I don't even understand. I don't understand what is going on, honestly. I just feel like disappearing. That man wants to make me go mad. Now everybody will be laughing at me.
Come on, nobody's laughing at you. At least I am not laughing at you. I'll never do that. Huh? Calm down. I mean, he might be passing through a lot of so much pressure on him. He lost his father. He just lost his brother.
Spare me all those balderdash. Spare me. Please, do you have anything reasonable in that refrigerator of yours?
Did you keep anything in my fridge?
Please, can you be useful to me?
Hey, God. Okay, I have fruit juice.
That will go a long way.
Face.
Very chilled, please.
Very chilled. Okay, hold on, let me get you something really, really chilled.
Are you going to see this priestess?
If I don't, then we're all doomed forever. I was really scared. It was as though the man was waiting to set his eyes on me before he gave up the ghost.
How do you mean? He died?
At first he was making sense with his words. And then he started speaking in parables. I couldn't understand. And he died. How is Mom?
She's fine. She's resting inside.
Okay. Please, could you just tell any of the maids to prepare some food for me. I'm famished.
Okay, Favor, come. Please go to the kitchen. Tell people to make food for the prince. Okay, my princess. Please tell him to start. Okay, my princess.
We're in the middle of nowhere. There's no building in sight. Are you sure we're at the right place?
Of course we are. Like you said, we're in the middle of nowhere, so we have to walk the rest of the way.
How about the car? Are you sure it's safe here? Hoodlums will not come and destroy it?
My prince, this is a sacred place. There is nowhere safer for the car than here. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Of course, 100%. You know, we still have a very long way to go. We better hurry. Let's go, my prince.
Okay, after you.
That is the abode of the priestess. Stories have it that she lives alone with dead souls.
Funny enough, I don't believe those superstitions.
My prince, they are real. They are real. I've heard legends about Ihe. No one could tell her age. Stories have it that she's up to 1,000 years.
Those are stories your mother told you by moonlight. I cannot wait to get out of here. I hope we get done with this fast so I can go back home.
Hopefully, yes, my prince. Please, let's proceed.
There's no problem. I just want to discuss something very important with you.
Okay, so I'm all ears.
See,
Afam, I don't have all day. If you're here to figure it out, go and come back later.
I will say it. See, my princess. Since the day I started working in this palace, and since the day I saw you, I have not been sleeping fine. No, I'll be sleeping in my dreams. I'll be hearing voices saying, "Say it, tell her, do the right thing," and I will just wake up. Then I've just been trying to find what is telling me that you know you are a beautiful man, an epitome of beauty. I don't know whether you are being given birth or you fall from the sky. So after much consultation, and I deliberated with my council of elders, my kindred women, kindred men, those that talk about those that will progress. Then I decided to do the right thing. My princess, please marry me. I will take you to places you never dreamed to go in this world. Name them: Zimbabwe, Malawi, Shanghai. I will take you there. Any kind of car you want to drive in this world, you will drive them. I'm ready to build this kind of palace for you, different places. Uncompleted building here. Here, our foundation.
Afam, are you mad?
No.
Have you gone cocoa?
No. Yes, I've gone cocoa. I use coconut to drink gari with cold water. Oh yeah, me very gari I have selected. You chop one milk. Wait till I need me. Oh here.
Afam, will you get out from here? Get out of here! Get out from here, you moron! Get out, you fool! Look at you, fool! What gave you that mind? What? Okay, come on.
Asa, asa wani, asa. Achalugo wanyoma. Asa, asa wani, asa. Ugogbo nne ya. Asa, asa wani, asa. Nne malobi nwa ya. Asa, asa wani, asa. Ngala une ya. Asa, asa wani, asa. Achalugo wanyoma. Asa, asa wani, asa. Ugogbo nne ya. Asa, asa wani, asa. Achalugo wanyoma. Asa, asa wani, asa. Nne malama. Asa, asa wani, asa. Achalugo wanyoma. Asa, asa wani, asa. Asa, asa wani, asa. Nne malobi waya. Asa, asa wani, asa. Achalugo wanyoma. Asa, asa wani, asa. Asa.
That is the same woman I told you I see in my dreams. The one that spoke to me about the crown. Are you sure? Yes. The first time I saw her, she was bleeding. Oh, that's why she's called the Bleeding Priestess.
Yes. Legend has it that whenever she visits anyone in the dream, danger looms. One that can cost the life of the dreamer. My prince, she could be the liberator.
Step forward, the favored one. Come! You are wise to seek the truth.
No one in the palace would have sensed that something is wrong somewhere. The sins of the father are kept in the son, even to the third generation.
You speak in parables, priestess.
It's the language of the spirit, the son. The evil spirit does not like the idea that people seek a solution to their problems. Confuse them at the end.
Priestess, we are in total confusion and despair.
You seek the truth? Alright. Your great-grandfather, King Obiefuna, was a good man. As a young man, he took a bride. A beautiful bride. Soon,
I said, forgive me.
You need me to teach you how to flog? How dare you spoil the name that took me many years?
What is going on? What is going on?
The name that took me many years to build? I wonder how best I gave birth to a common thief.
Your Highness!
Stealing from me. Bring him back.
No!
I said bring
him back. You want to kill him for me? Please, come.
Give me that cane. Give me.
I'm ready to protect now for you.
What's going on in my house? You. Walk off before you are punished.
Father, I was just cooling off with my friends.
I gave you that name because you are the first strength of my leon. Rather than put that name to good use, you are here whiling away your life with ladies.
Father, please. I'm only occupying myself and trying to kill the boredom.
By bringing in pigs and fools into my compound? You are a complete disgrace to America. You will regret your life. No. I have made up my mind and there is no going back. Your son is a complete disgrace.
Oh, now he's my son? I get back to what you gave to me. All you could do is call him and advise him. After all, he's only a boy.
You call Ikemefune a boy? Or a man? Oh, I have seen where the problem is coming from. You keep pampering and spoiling him. No, he is a total disaster.
The gods forbid. My son is not a disaster.
Look at him. Just look at him. Does he look like someone who would be a crown prince?
My king.
No. Young man, I have disowned you.
Oh, disowned him?
It will amount to a disgrace for me. The people will mock me.
You brought that onto yourself.
Oh
yes,
please.
Right away. I am going to summon the elders of Ameku to choose another successor to the heir. Read my lips.
My king.
You can never succeed me.
My king.
You have to do that.
You want to give my throne to someone else?
Stop it! Don't do that, son.
You want to give my throne to someone else?
You kill the king.
You have to kill him before you get to my son. Now take back your sword. Take it down now. Is that not down? Do it now!
She said take it down!
Now!
King Obiefuna cost the crown, and you are the second generation. If your brother had mounted the throne, he would have died.
Now I see why you visit my dreams.
In actual sense, that was not me.
We've heard stories of your visit to dreams. And after such visits, problems are solved in some cases.
Yes, Prince Ifeanyi was only seeing the cause. That crown drips in blood. Hence, the gods were passing a message to you. Hence, you were seeing the bleeding parts.
But why? Why am I favored this much?
Your grandmother, she continued to stand in the gap where Obiefuna lamented the gods for vengeance. Now, you must break the curse.
Priestess, that is why we are here.
Yes. What must be done and how much time do we have?
9 days. You must find the voice.
The voice?
Your grandfather Obiefuna has a secret pot. In that secret pot lies your redemption.
What secret?
Are you serious about what you are doing?
Your Majesty, I cannot be lying with something serious as this. If Her Majesty finds out, my life is ruined.
She won't do you anything. You go back to your father's house. I think you are safer there.
My father is going to kill me. You know it's a taboo for a young maiden to give birth in her father's house.
He will not kill you. I will send you a message with my seal on it. You will stay there a while. Then I will come and pay your bride price and take you home as my wife.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Now do as I instructed you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
He had a child out of wedlock?
Yes. King Obiefuna did not live to fulfill his promises to Uloma, who later died after giving birth to his son. I guess the stigma was much. That is the key to your liberation.
But why? I mean, all these do not fit.
You are correct. King Obiefuna does not want anybody from the lineage of Amaka to wear the crown. And anybody who does so will die immediately. Your curses are so strong. You must find the secret and break it.
Who? Why me? Why? Why?
You are the Loyal Bridge and the chosen one to break the long age curse. Refusal to do so, you have the whole member of your family dead.
Eh?
All of a sudden, something just came and the money vanished just like that.
How can you find out? lost money just like that. You would have saved it in the bank.
Papa, it didn't just vanish like that. Yes. Just look at me. I just bailed myself from the police station. A case I knew nothing about.
How did you get into the problem?
Same question. Papa, same question I keep asking myself till today. Unnecessary case just came in and swallowed my body just like that. And expect me to start afresh. This must be a cause.
How can you say a thing like that? How can you say we are caught?
Are we not? Are we not? I remember how you and Mama used to fight for money over food. Until now we still eat from hand to mouth. And you believe we are not cursed? Hey, Papa!
I rather say misfortune. There is no difference.
The crown, who will wear the crown? When you got you no banana, when you got mysteries and tales, rocking a line, I could call you ready. When you got Korani, when you got Kobarani, every little of your banner, a woman more. Oh, me, who will wear the crown? When you got Chino Barani, yo, yelele, mysteries abound. Who wear the crown?
Mama John, do you have local rice?
I have. I have everything now.
Okay. There's nothing I don't have in this shop. Give me 3 cups.
3 cups, yes. Okay. Mama John, I hope you have the money to pay for the items you want to buy.
You know we have been friends for long. I will give you the money. Though I don't have money now, but I will go to my father's house tomorrow. I will bring your money. Help me, please.
Mama John,
you have been doing this for me.
Mama John, why are you this wicked? Yes, why are you wicked? You remember you owe me 1,000 naira the last time you came here. Now you want to buy another thing
on credit.
Why? Fear God though, fear God.
John, I will give you. Please. It's going to be alright. I cannot remain like this. Please.
Madam, that has been your ringing tone for the past 3 years. What kind of thing is this?
It's going to be alright. Who told you to not be alright?
Please, I don't want to. There is no friendship in business. Please, just take your wretched and cursed body out of this shop now. Yes. Do I look like I'm cursed? Before you infect me with curse. Just leave my shop. Okay, leave my shop. What kind of thing is this? You also cheap or some credit? No credit today, come tomorrow. Ha! Okay, forgive why. Atalangata Oshilangaya.
What is it? Please talk to me.
Will it make any difference? Are you just noticing my face now? Are you just noticing the look on my face? I've been going through this embarrassment for a long time now.
What embarrassment is that? Okay, come on, sit down. Come on.
Will sitting down put food on our table? Will it? Answer me. Will it put food on our table?
Just wrap Maka.
When troubles comes and trials abound, so many pains surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's the punitofe? Oh, we Buriana na song.
Please wake up.
Honey, what is it?
I want us to talk.
At this time of the night, it's late. Can you not wait till morning? I promise.
No, it can't wait. It's very important. We have to talk.
Honey, I'm so tired. In the morning, we'll talk about this, Biko.
I said I cannot wait. I want us to talk.
Hey. Okay, what is it?
Now I have your attention. Can you tell me what you meant when you said you do not want the crown? Because I don't understand it. We never discussed that. What do you mean?
I'm supposed to have a conference with you before taking that decision.
Oh yes, you have to. Because I am your wife.
Then be a wife. I don't understand this, your obsession with the crown. What is it? You and I have been married for 3 years without any child. That should be our most pressing issue at this moment. Yet you don't even think about it. Now you want to use your obsession for the throne to cover up what we have to tackle? Is that it?
But I thought...
Don't think anything! Just do not ever disturb me about this issue of the throne again. I'd like to go to bed.
You mean he said all this to you?
And even more. I honestly do not know why he said the throne doesn't interest him anymore. Queen Mother, all he plans to do is to end his father's dynasty.
No. Sandra, no. That cannot happen. I promise it will not happen.
I pray. I pray.
So where is he now?
I don't know. He left earlier before I woke up. Queen Mother, I'm just so worried.
Calm down. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Trust me.
What do you want? We don't entertain beggars here.
Sir, I am not a beggar. Besides, I don't look like a beggar.
What do you want? How may I help you?
Okay, thank you so much. You see, I came all the way from Amekulu Kingdom. People told me that I can get a job here. That's why I'm here.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Can you read? I mean, can you read well?
If I can read? Yes, I can read. I finished my secondary school. I can read.
So you can read, right?
Yes. No vacancy.
No vacancy. I guess this answers your question. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, sir.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
When troubles comes and trials abound, so many pains surrounding our kingdom.
Amekolo members! Amekolo! but go by Sienna, I'm a Kulu. I'm a Kulu. Go by Sienna. I'm a Kulu. Yes. 300 naira. 300. I'm a Kulu.
Yes. How much is this? 300 naira. Okay, please, can you help me? I have 150, please. Just 150, help me.
Oga, don't go here and spoil business from you. Eh? Don't you know we are on lockdown? So, bros, now 300 naira. Chicken,
yes, you can still help me. Just even if this place, I can sit here.
Oga, what you want be? You can easily help. You can easily. Here is an orphanage. We don't help people here. The price is 300 naira. If you have the money, you enter. If you don't have, 1 hour.
Oga, please, just help me. You can help me, please. You can help me, please. You can do it. Let me just get to where I'm going to, please.
Oga,
just help me.
We are on lockdown. And for this lockdown, I need to talk, say help you. 1 hour, you may be in business.
Please, Oga.
We need the marketer. We need people, people that know what it takes. Look at him.
My boss, my Sienna,
Good afternoon.
Sorry, how may I help you?
Yes, please, I want you to assist me with just 150. Please, just 150 so that I can catch up with the boss, please.
Sorry, I don't have money. By the way, how will a healthy man like you be begging for money? Can't you find something to do?
Yes, I understand. That is why I came in search of work, but I didn't succeed. Please just help me so that I'll complete the one I have here, please. You can just help me, please. Just 150 so that I will go back to where I came from, please. Please. Please.
I don't want to see you around here again. I don't want to see you around here begging. If I see you again, I'm going to arrest you.
You will not see me here again. You won't see me. Thank you so much.
Gods are asleep or have been on a journey. Okay, now what's a punitofe? Oh, we Buriana na sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom.
Welcome. Thank you.
How did it go?
Mama, I wasn't good enough.
What do you mean by you weren't good enough? My son, you are the best. Don't you ever look down on yourself. Yes. Don't look down on yourself. You are the best. Do you understand? You are the best and you will remain the best. Please.
But
don't stop. It's okay. It's okay. Go inside. Go and take your bath. Food will soon be ready. Go, please. You are the best and you will always remain the best. It's well. Go. Go. It's well.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Kamwa obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke n'ọsọ nwere n'ọsọ n'ụwa. Onye mazi ka mmiri si webe a n'ofi ụgbọgiri. Egbu na-atụ m. Ọkwa isi kara aka bụ ya na-ebuzi n'ogidi n'ụwa. Mana onye bụ n'ogidi bụkwa ntụ n'isi. When troubles comes and trials survive. So many things surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's a punito fe? Oh, we buriana na sansa. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom?
Mazi, could anybody be in this house? Yes, I think so. You can see that window. Daluno! Anybody hope?
Oh no.
How are you?
You are welcome.
We were looking for the compound of Okeke, and we were directed here.
You are the right place. Please come and sit down.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. I know you know we are not as smart as we are, so you can manage it.
You are the right place. Okay, Kenko. It's my father's name. We changed the name during my own time. But is there anything wrong?
Are you saying that this is also Loma's compound?
Oh no, why are you people asking this question? Who Loma gave birth to? She never married. She died at childbirth. Is there anything the matter? No.
My sister, if you ask me, who will I ask? I have never seen my husband behave like that before. I mean, what's all this? It is very obvious. Because I do not need a suit here to tell me that he is under a spell.
A spell, Sandra. Come on now. Who places a spell on your husband? That's not possible. But this is really, really serious. It's serious. Like, it's bad for me. Because I've been bragging. You see on Facebook, you see WhatsApp, you see Instagram. Didn't you see your pictures on my page? I've been saying I'm going to become my friend to the queen. My friend is the queen. Queen Sandra won. That's in the mouth I don't make. Too much. It's no longer really funny. Bad for me.
It's no longer funny. And funny enough, they've been calling me. All those girls, all of them, they've been calling me. They want to come and celebrate with me over my victory as the queen. What do I even tell them? You see that short Margaret, that woman that lies and gossips around? Her own is worse. I've automatically blocked her. Because she calls me every second.
See, at the end of the day, this is not even a do or die affair.
It is. It is a do or die affair because my husband must wear that crown and I must be the queen. There's nothing else.
Babe, calm down. At least he...
No, don't tell me anything. He must wear that crown and I be the queen. What's all this? I'm not going to
queen.
I'm not going to okay, now. But what's a comment?
See, I think you...
He must. Don't say any other thing. He must.
Wait, this sounds like a dream to me. You mean you're going to be the king of Amakuru Kingdom?
That's what they said to me.
Good news. Huh?
Good news. The gods has finally remembered us. Imagine me that has been a laughing stock. Now called to be the queen of this town, Amekulu Kingdom. This is too good to be real. Please, when are we going to the palace?
We are not going to that palace. Not now. Not ever.
Papa. Papa, what do you mean by that now?
Those people were part of my problems. I don't care what happens. If I refuse to take the crown, I will never. I have said mine.
You must take the crown.
Papa, Biko.
You must take the crown.
You see, my elders, I am not the one to be crowned king. My father is the one. He makes his own decisions. So he doesn't take suggestions from me or my mother. My son, you see, you still have to help us. Try to convince him. You know he loves you and has so much confidence. I come to think of it, if he becomes a king today, he'll become the prince, of course. And my son, it is a clarion call to serve. So please advance. Well, in that case, you have to give him time to digest the news. Yes, you know, it hasn't been easy for him and the family. Yeah, we know, we know. But just try to keep more cool. No, now we know he knows. Okay, no problem. I will try my best, you know. It's just something that we need to continue working on him. I'm so happy if he talks.
Oh no, why would he say that? I mean, this is a huge opportunity for him to change his life. What do we do now?
My prince, I've completely run out of ideas. Yes. Today is the 5th day. And we are supposed to crown Mazin Denka before the 10th day.
Hey! Can you give me his address? Maybe a visit from me might make him change his mind.
My prince, that man is very stubborn, no? Very stubborn. In fact, you are going to have serious communication problem with him.
Let that be my worry. I will take whatever he serves me. I'm a man too, okay?
Okay. It's okay. I will give you his address and his phone number.
Good.
But my prince, you have to be very careful.
Trust me. Trust me. Just the address, please.
Okay. So you...
So this is what he has been planning. Oh my goodness! My prince! Why have you chosen to disgrace me in public like this? Why? From grace to grass? May the gods forbid! May the gods forbid! I mean, what is so difficult? Sitting on that beautiful throne, wearing that amazing crown, and making me his queen. What is difficult? I'm losing my sanity right now. What do I do?
Is it the right thing to do? Because I'm still very confused about this other unknown heir.
He's linked to your grandfather. Is
He's a child of one of his mates. She'll have the food. At least to leave whatever curse is placed on this family.
What about Ifeanyi?
How about him?
I mean, another person is going to be crowned king. It looks odd.
Princess, once a royalty is always a royalty. And his Ifeanyi will always be referred as the crown prince of our neighboring kingdom. And you, princess of our neighboring kingdom.
Oh no. One more day, our grace will expire. Yet we do not have a king. Prince Ifeanyi will not hear anything about the crown.
Oh no. The chosen one wants all the time in the world to make up his mind. I am sorry.
My elders, I am as confused as every one of you. I can't even bring myself to ask Prince Ifeanyi to accept the throne.
You and I know that is impossible. We know what will happen if he does. Let us just keep praying that the gods will answer us and touch the heart of the young man. Ekucham oh no. Ekucham.
Hey.
You must come be received about Akwisi karaka buya ne buzino gidi yonuwa Manonye buno gidi bukwa Antunisi When troubles comes and trials survive So many things surrounding our kingdom Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's the bunny tofe? Oh, we Buriana na sonso.
Now, I just hope everything works out fine.
Please.
No. Please, sit down. What is it? You look agitated and scared. What's wrong?
My prince, the worst has happened. Hey.
What happened?
Mazu Denka. He's nowhere to be found. This is his son John.
Greetings, my prince.
What do you mean he's nowhere to be found? Is he trying to run away or what?
My prince, he suddenly disappeared from the face of the earth. My family is in sorrow.
Have you informed the police?
No, my prince, we haven't. Hey, my prince, what are we going to do? Today is the 6th day. Hey.
Hey. I just have to resign to fate. Because we have done our best as humans.
My darling, you shouldn't be surprised. Of course it's me, Sandra. You shouldn't joke with me at all. You shouldn't. Yes, I am still the queen of the city. We run this town. No, don't even say that. Don't. Okay. I'll have to call you back much later. Okay? What is it? I don't know if everything is alright.
Ono and one other man came in and they look really worried.
worried? So what has that got to do with me?
I guess everything is not fine. They look really troubled.
Of course they should be troubled. They should be. Since your brother has refused to be a man and stand up to his responsibilities. It is very simple. Very, very simple. Pick up the crown, wear it on your head and everything will be fine. But no, he wouldn't. So what is my business in all this? Oh, no, just go to him and ask him that stupid question. It isn't for me.
Sandra!
What do you mean, Sandra? Prior before you got in here, I was on a very important call. Please, can you excuse me? Can you leave? Better. Hello, darling. Yeah, sorry, you were saying something. I'm so happy right now. I am winning. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't kill me. I don't have any money to give, please. Please.
Chosen one. I am not here to hurt you.
Then who are you and what am I doing here?
Do not ask too many questions, for there is no time. You have been chosen to be the king of Amekolo Kingdom.
I already told them I'm not interested in the throne. Besides, we are not supposed to be talking about this now. I am still tied up to a chair and I don't even know where I am.
You must listen to me. You are from a royal bloodline. It is destined that you be the king of Amekolo. That the long-age curse will be broken and light may shine again in Amekolo Kingdom.
Do you mean to say Amekolo is in darkness?
One day you will understand. Now you may go. What's up? Where is the whole stage?
Mama, welcome first. Relax. The whole stage is it. But I hope so you come with our own. See, my brother go for now.
That is not a problem. You know I have the money free. It's not a problem.
Madam, what can I bear? So let me show you the guy.
Where this man now? Why did they look at me like this? Not me and him there. This guy was here.
Can you shut up? Where is the whole stage? Like, what exactly is going on here?
Mama, we caught this man. We kept him there. He's there here now. Mama, if this man disappear, I don't know.
Please shut up! Wait, I don't want to believe this. So you morons actually made me believe you caught the man and made me come out here just to take my money from me? Is something wrong with you?
Mama,
what sort of joke is this?
Mama, walking a baby. This guy was here. We slept with this guy in here. Mama, have I lied to you before? Now, true talk, I tell you, we catch this man.
Keep quiet! Oh my goodness.
Mama! Guy, what did happen? What did happen? This, now, our balance will not collect. You don't carry our balance go. What is going on? This guy was here now. This guy was here.
Mazi Oche.
Oh no.
Welcome.
Thank you. Mazi Udenka has accepted to take the crown. You can go ahead and plan his coronation.
Hey! Chineke Dalu. Hey! Look, we are not planning anything. We are going to crown him today. Yes!
I thought there would be a ceremony.
We skip that for now. We skip that for now. In fact, we are going to gather the other elders on our way. Thank you.
Coronation.
Oh my goodness. What have I gotten myself into? What mess have I gotten myself into? How do I come out of this?
Good day, my lady.
What is wrong with you? Why do you like interrupting people's thoughts? Are you a wizard?
No. But my grandmother said that we came from the lineage of witches. And at times I will be sleeping. I will see some people knocking drum. And I will be dancing to their drum beat.
I'm not surprised. And here you are, laughing at your ignorance.
Thank you, my princess. I take that as a compliment.
Will you shut up? Keep quiet. Now, what exactly have you come here to do? Because I never sent for you. What are you doing here?
Hey, see that thing where you talk now? See, I say you talk and say my family in a winch. I was there at my duty post too. I had voice calling me. Come here. Afam, come here. I'm calling you. Come. And I came. I thought you were the one calling me. I don't know the
Now get out.
Would you like something to drink?
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwoyoko kamu obodo na unisinje obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa. Onye mazi kambiri siwe bano biribogiri. Ebu na tumo.
Afam, come back here. What is wrong with you? Didn't you hear me call you?
It's Madam Sandra. I thought she called me. On reaching there, she now denied that she wasn't the one that called me. That is why I was walking like that.
Okay, there's no longer water in the house. Huh? And I remember mother telling you not to allow water finish from the tank.
How? How come? How did they do it? Did we host party unknowingly? It's not just 3 days ago that we pump water. This is not the way other royalty normally take their bath too. People that will just take bath in the morning, because you people don't used to work, you are supposed to be clean for the next 1 week. Now you people will bath in the morning, bath in the afternoon, bath in the night, even the midnight you people will be pouring water.
Are you now telling us the number of times we should shower?
No. It doesn't mean that you people should be showering once in a while. At least, as royalty, shower in the morning, shower in the afternoon, shower in the night, if possible, shower in the midnight.
What are you even saying?
I don't even know. Fine, let me call what on the phone.
Are you mad?
Sorry, don't be offended. Let me go and pump water. Is there any other thing you need?
No, my friend will go and pump the water.
Hot or cold, so that I will know how to pump it.
Something is wrong with you. Go and pump the water. I don't have time for it.
So we are related.
You are yet to apologize to me.
Okay, I'm sorry. It was not intentional. Honestly, if I knew you had royal blood in you, I probably would have done things differently. Listen, Udenka. You're going to be crowned the next king tomorrow. Yet you act all indifferent. Amikulu needs a king.
You have always been the crown prince, and the most revered one at that. Why don't you take the crown? I mean, why don't you take the throne? Why should I even be the one to be aligned with what happened in the past?
The past hurts. Just like it hurt my family, our family. But what matters is what you do with that hurt. Please, consider.
I don't understand that.
If you go through life, you'll find out there are many things we don't understand as humans. Save Amikulu.
Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa vera go riri. Itiaka na eburugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozi nuno. Ewe mwana riri.
What is it? Why are you scaring me? I'm not scaring you. I thought it's one of these palace maidens that want to shit here. If you see the can kick wife or kick the person, eh? By the way, are you pressed?
Are you stupid? What sort of stupid question is that? Listen, I don't have your time now. Just let me be.
You don't need to worry. I'm the chief security guard in this compound. Tell me what is your problem. I will take care of it. If you don't like that toilet, you can use my own. Very clean.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa vera go riri. Itiaka na eburugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozi nuno. Ewe mwana.
I did, Mom. But he thinks being king is not fun. He wouldn't even believe in the past.
He cannot run away from it. It flows in his blood.
Exactly the same thing I told him.
Come here, son. Ify.
Mom.
Just know that whatever happens, you did all you could to break this curse. My son, I recall how I carried you in my arm, in my bosom, as a baby. How you wrapped your tiny babyish finger protectively around my fingers. Oh, I miss you, Dad.
We all miss him, Mom. I promise you we will get through this together.
Gone crazy. Where did you get that gun from?
You are the one who has lost your sense of time. Refusing to be the king you were born to be.
Are we still on this? I told you that throne is not mine. Why can't you just get it?
Those were cock and bull. Superstitious nonsense. I won't take that.
So what are you going to do? Shoot me?
Of course not, darling. I will crown you the king of this great kingdom first. And then I will be the queen before I decide on what to do with you.
You are insane, no? You have gone cuckoo, Sandra. What is this?
Will you shut up? You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm here to play with you? Now move it. Move, I said, and get out! Move, I said! Sandra, move it going right now! What are you doing, Sandra? I am not joking with you.
Sandra, put that gun down, Sandra.
Move it!
Sandra,
Is something wrong with you? Hey! Don't move.
Please shoot up. Madam, please. Don't kill me. I'm the only son in my family and my mother has been disturbing me to get married. If you don't like him, don't shoot him. I will marry him.
Please shut up!
Crazy!
Is something wrong with you? Look at you. A whole chief guard like you, shaking like a bitter leaf.
this thing has consequences.
Who cares about the consequences? All I want to do is to be the queen of this kingdom. And peradventure, if the curse kills you, then I will inherit your properties.
Come over you. Who is this sweet, loving girl I married?
Story for the gods. Now move your ass!
Sandra, see.
I am not joking with
Sandra,
you.
No.
I am not joking with you!
Sandra!
No.
Abomination!
Abomination.
What are you doing pointing gun at my priest?
No noise! All I wish to do is to crown him the king. You all should be thankful to me because I'm helping you to solve this problem. What is wrong with all of you? Have you gone mad? And you? Sandra, out! Out!
No, Mom, see.
What?
There's no time. Everybody, let's go to the throne room. Now? Yes, no time. Masudoka, let's go. Let's go, no time. Let's go. Let's go. Afam, my car.
Go and get me my car.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Please come with me.
To be there. You needed to be there. See, you know that it's not every time they talk about that this person is a military person, that the person is a military person. It's not. Okay, I did my chief security guard. I did my degree in Thailand. I learned my royal guard. I did the diploma in US. I did my CSO Neko in Zimbabwe. That's where I finished my work.
Only you.
Hey, you think I'm just an ordinary person? I'm trained. You missed. You would have seen the way I just overpowered her, took her gun, pose to shoot any stupid person that makes a wrong move.
Eh? Thank the gods for your intervention. No?
See, you don't even know that at times the gods are supposed to be thanking us because we do the work that they are supposed to do. Then people will go and give them praises. Huh? It just baffles me that nobody in this kingdom choose to reward me. Whether they didn't even see my Inyaka at all.
Which other reward do you want than retaining your position as the chief guard in this palace? Tell me.
It's not as if I want something better. But at least if the royal household would have considered and add you to my position, since I'm the chief guard and I have one security room all to myself, at least let me see something that will be touching in the night if there is heavy rainfall. Thunderback. If the thunder do click again, come on, where is my ear?
Useless goats.
Somebody should get me my ear. She slapped me. Yes, see? She slapped me. Hey! Why will horn be blowing on my ear though?
How come?
Why did you beat me? Why did you beat me?
I beat you.
Why did you beat me now? You beat me. I don't know that this is where the pain will come out from.
It is finished.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. You come, I'm obodo na isi ndi obodo. Okay, no somewhere in our sun. Onye mazi kambi receive bano biruwagi. Ebu na tumo. Akwisi karaka buya lebuzi no kiri yenuma. Manoni ebu no kiri kwa Anthony when try.
Happy New Year. Good morning, Your Majesty.
Good morning. How are you and your family?
Oh, we are fine.
My friend, I have come to pay you for all I've been owing you. You may think I bought grudges against you, but no. It's you that really helped my family when we are in need. During our hard time. That is why I say I will come to thank you. Thank you very much.
Akwisi karaka buya lebuzi no kiri yenuma. Manoni ebu no kiri kwa Anthony see. When troubles comes and trials survive. So many things surrounding our kingdom.
Jerry, you're welcome.
Thank you, Highness.
I am sorry I've not been able to attend to or pay much attention to you. I am so sorry.
Oh, Your Highness, I totally understand. You know, I understand the pressure as of that time.
Thank you for being considerate.
No problem, Your Majesty.
I want Jerry to tell you something.
Your Majesty, I love your daughter so much with all my heart. She's my world best, my happiness. She's my soulmate, my queen, and she's the best thing that has ever happened to me. So Your Majesty, I'm here to inform you that I will be coming with my family to perform the traditional wedding rites. I want to make Princess Victoria here my lovely wedded wife.
Wow! My goodness.
Yes, Your Majesty.
In fact, I am so excited to hear this. This is one of the best news I've heard in a very long while.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh my, at least we'll have something to hold on to. After all these sorrows everywhere, we have something to be happy about and bring the families together again.
You are absolutely correct, Your Majesty. Yes.
In that case, notify yourself your date. Because we have a coronation coming up, so that the dates do not clash.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. I will do that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're going to make a very wonderful husband to her.
Oh, Your Majesty, I will be the best husband in the world. And I know you'll be the best mother-in-law. Because I know my wife is the best woman on earth. Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
My prince, looking back, I can now agree that your father prepared you very well. I mean, with all the things that have happened, you remain calm, focused. I mean, you think properly before you do things, and you do things on your own. That's great.
I know I always look before I leap. And I've always known that patience is a virtue. My only regret is I wouldn't have allowed my brother ascend that throne.
My prince, don't blame yourself for that. It's not your fault.
I think it's about time the king looked into some of our traditions, especially those ones that are in dire need of change. I mean, considering the fact that we're in modern society.
You are correct. Very correct.
Yes. Now that royalty has vested on his household, he needs someone to guide him. And he needs to watch his every talk and action.
I agree with you. You're right. But let's forget about that now. Enough of all that. With all these that have happened, the worst has been overcome.
Exactly.
So, what are your plans?
What other plans? I have no other plans than what I've always told you.
It is my phrase. You are very smart too. I trust you.
Thank you, no.
You know I have cola.
Yes. Go ahead and bring the cola.
Hey.
I thought you would stay back for the coronation ceremony.
My king.
No, don't give me that excuse. Don't tell me you're not staying back.
Honestly, I would love to, but I have a lot of work waiting for me back home that I need to go attend to, and it's urgent. But not to worry, I'll always be home. This is home for me, and as royalty, tradition demands that I visit home often.
I thought you would have been around to guide me on being a good leader. Ono told me your father prepared you well for this.
Not to worry. The gods shall guide you.
My prince, the truck is loaded and ready to move.
Are you crazy? How dare you interrupt my discussion with my brother?
Mazudenka, Igwe, I'm sorry. I just wanted to inform him that the driver is ready so that the driver will not just move thinking that my prince have already entered, not knowing that his boss that have been opening.
Will you get out of here? Get out of here!
You really should find a way of handling this guy because he's such a nosy and troublesome person.
He will be shown the way out.
Whatever decision you take, please do make sure you set him up in life before putting him out of this palace. So your reign as king will be great.
I will do that. Stay well, brother.
Stay well, brother. See you around.
Your Highness, please, don't chase me out like this now. I'm the only surviving son in my family. I'm the breadwinner. If you chase me out from the palace like that, I will automatically become a nuisance to this community. I'm the breadwinner in my family, so if I lose this work, even Agege bread will not come back to our family.
When troubles comes and trials survive,